board, what they call the foil. And I also put in a new odometer gear at the same time while I was at it, and put it back in, and everything works perfectly. All the gauges sprung to life. So now I have a functioning gas gauge and engine temp, and you can see I zeroed my odometer, and I just registered just under 3 miles. So everything is working there. And also the needles jump up, and they're a bit more crisp in the way they react. So I was very happy with that project. But I'll probably be doing the same thing on my 88, and I'll take you guys along for that when I do end up getting involved with that project, which will be pretty quickly. I also installed the new leather steering wheel. I had brand new leather put on the steering wheel, and then I had the deviated stitching to match the tan interior, and it came out really nicely. So feels good, smells good, and looks so much better than the old steering wheel where the leather was just starting to come apart. And you can also see the new center console and all that good stuff. That's all brand new leather. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. Again, thanks again for all the support. And the next video I shoot will be everything installed rather than taking a time lapse. Oh yeah, I also bought a brand new marker light right here because this has a crack. So I'll be taking this guy out and putting a new marker light or lens. And I'm just kind of getting it all ready. So hope you enjoy. Hope everybody's doing well. Staying cool in the summer heat, and also staying safe during these whole times with coronavirus and everything that's going on. So stay well and stay tuned. All my best. Take care. Bye.